My name is Enthusiasm, and my nickname is Inspiration. I am Mr. Engagement. I motivate people to do certain things. Why is enthusiasm important?
Was inspired and he was very career focused like you said, but after
I got some toys that make me and my colleagues enthusiastic in work.
And I have learned so many things that I will be able to explain and motivate same to my junior or my colleague as well. And I'll be able to tell them what I learned and what I have been inspired from the session itself. So it feels good.
That's great.
Every day from today, I will take an oath that every day I will, give a good message and some enthusiastic message to my colleagues, my co-workers, every day.
Yes, I have never attended such seminar. Actually, this is the first time I'm attending this.
Because it's interesting, it's motivating, and the way the two gentlemen were here, they took the session is absolutely great.
It was very inspiring and motivating.
So this is a very good session that I did today.
Seminar was amazing.
It was wonderful.